Welcome back to Lumber Kitchen now. Today recipe for today, we're going to have some rice and peas. We're going to have some coconut in rice and peas. So like one coconut go to 2 pound of rice and half pound of peas. So you don't know, we have to make the menu rich and flavor up and nice and thing. I'm going to have some red snapper here. We're going to fry them dry and cook them on like coconut sauce. So I have one coconut to red snapper, one coconut to the rice and peas, and for the sauce for the red snapper we have the carrot, Irish, garlic, pepper, onion, and scallion. And we have also some fried plantain on the side. So it's lumberjack I represent. Seven time rise, don't believe in a falling team. Please to watch the video to the end, subscribe, like and share and comment. So the recipe for today again, it's going to be some red snapper with coconut sauce, rice and peas with coconut juice. So it's lumberjack in the kitchen again today. So 7 time rise, we don't believe in a falling thing. Big up Father God first and everything. Up top settings. A lumberjack I represent. Yeah, this is the way how me ups up my coconut. Break it up. You can see a grater I'm going to use. You can blame it, but I don't really like it blame. The grater, you get the whole of the niceness out of it, the whole of the juice. And this is the way I grate my coconut to put in my rice and peas. I'm going to have some red snapper with coconut sauce also. So please to subscribe, like and share and comment. Yeah, it's Lumberjack represent. 7 time rise, not believe in that falling thing. Big up Father God first and everything. This recipe going to nice today. Alright, we're going to wash the peas now. Throw the coconut juice. Some more like up here. Put some garlic on top of it. Put it on to pressure now. Oh, see lighter. Oh, lighter rump. Where lighter it for? Yo, pressure the peas now, you know? Alright, we'll clean up the snapper now and season up and spice up now. Alright, so you don't know the recipe for today. Rice and peas with coconut juice. Snapper cooked with coconut sauce. So we'll clean them up and season up and one thing. Okay. Alright, my peeps. Clean up the fish now, you know? Yeah. You have to cut out them sharp part of it. Alright, going to wash. Red snapper. Then clean them up like this. Yeah, cut them. The scissors, fix them up pretty. Yeah, this is the way I prepare my red snapper then. See? Yeah. Alongside the peas, oils and pressure with the coconut juice. Yeah, we can rice and peas for that. The recipe went nice today, delicious. Alright, I have some Maggi all purpose. Alright, so we have some chicken Maggi. Alright, so we have some onion. Alright, so we have some pepper. Some carrot. Alright, so we have some Irish. Alright, so we have some scallion. Alright, so we have some garlic. I'm going to stir it like this. Alright, the recipe for today, we have some red snapper. We're going to fry them dry and cook them in a coconut juice. So we're going to call it coconut sauce. I'm going to have some fried plantain alongside. We have the rice and peas. So we have the peas that fresh out with the coconut juice. So a lumberjack I represent. Alright, we're going to throw the oil in the pot now. Go on hot, because I don't know, I have to hot to fry the fish now. Cold oil can't fry fish. The fish will stick up if the oil is hot. Alright, I want that now. Yeah, watch over on the fried platinum first before to fry the fish. So I'll fry the part like this. Hey, I had a heart. Yeah man, the recipe load to them man. Linger, thing are licking good because the peas don't pressure them. Plant not go fry. If don't fry plant, I go fry the fish dry and cook it on a coconut sauce. I don't know how long but I can represent the recipe for today is nice. Rice and peas and red snapper, coconut sauce. Alright peas, what's up one now? So my rice and peas now. Alright, now the thyme, the scallion and the pepper, so I'm gonna wash them. I'm done pressure the peas now. And put it in the rice and peas pot. That go and boil. Alright. So after them done fry them, take them like these. On the drop. Like somebody, you know, the thing I want to drop, you know? Alright. For from fish, then I'm put in wash out the pepper and the garlic. Everybody cook different, but my part of is spicy and delicious. So drop the pepper in the oil. So the garlic in the oil. Yeah. So we put in the red snapper. So you want it to go and fry. So you don't know the garlic flavor and pepper flavor. It's more nice and delicious more. I love butter can kitchen, man. Finger licking, you know? Yeah, man. Just go to YouTube, man. And type in Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. And just subscribe and like. The piece, I can't be touching, you know. And uno, so me have to do, you know? So yeah. So just like, share and comment and subscribe. The piece. Please and thanks. I'm begging you, know. Fish smell delicious at the island, you know? Yeah, put some salt in the rice and peas pot now. I'm going to put it in the rice, so I'll put some salt in it. Sorry. Yeah, put the rice in the pot like this. Just stir it like this. This is where I cook my rice and peas. So I stir it because I don't want it to thick up in the pot, so I'm stir it that way. Alright, people, going to throw the coconut juice into this. So we're going to throw it into the pot now. Go on, go down. Keep it brown in the night, give it a color. So when you go down now, you don't know, you put the snap on them now. Cook it down like the coconut juice. So you're going to call it coconut sauce. So let this go and cook down. So rice and peas there in this pot. The recipe went nice today. Fish them fried pretty and thing. See? Snap on them fried pretty and thing and fried plant on the side. Just remember to subscribe, you know, share and comment, you know, leave a comment. Yeah, snap of them well fried and pretty and crispy. Yeah man, see fried plant on the side. Yeah man, please go to YouTube and type in Jamaican cooking with lumberjack and subscribe and like and share, you know. So this red snapper I'm going to cook some coconut sauce. Yeah man, coconut juice, so we call it coconut sauce. See it here, so boiling up and now. Give you a preview. And look what I go on. Yeah man, that is coconut sauce, no? Yeah, so when you go down, I'm going to put the fish there tonight. See the rice and peas here, so pal. Well shredded when I go down. Yeah. Coconut sauce fish, I see that. It's a bossy red snapper, yeah man, not the coconut juice, so we call it coconut sauce. Well spicy and nice, you know? Delicious. Take a preview rice and peas pot. Well shredded down. A lumberjack man. Please go to YouTube and type in Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. 7-time rise, no believe in I falling thing. Big up Father God first and everything. Dinner time. Dinner time. Rice and peas, you see, fried plant, see coconut fish there. Call it coconut sauce. Well, this menu take 2 hours prepare everything. Grate the coconut, season up and cook and pressure the peas. So, alright, so please go to YouTube and type in Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Subscribe, like, and share and comment.